So I'm here at the Huay Waterfalls, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how beautiful this place is. Just wait a little for me to get there. Ew. Okay, could go here, but I'll just go here. Okay, so I'm taking the same trail, same route that I took the other day. Oh, almost fell. I'm gonna try to show you what I saw the other day. Okay, so you can see a little bit of the city right now, but not that much. Just keep on walking. Whew. Yay, we're hiking, sort of. Yeah. I think the other day there was way more water in that waterfall, and it looked way more magnificent than it does right now. But yeah, still very pretty, very fascinating. So, just resting a little bit right now because I'm not feeling that good, not feeling that well. For the past couple of days, or actually almost a week, I have been feeling a little bit not really healthy. I eat the same as I did before. I kind of exercise almost even more some days, on some days less, but and yeah, I just haven't been feeling that well. I haven't had like an appetite really, but I don't know, it's just I know that there's something that is wrong, but I don't know what it is. I might have caught, sorry, I'm so sweaty right now, I probably look horrible, but yeah, I'm probably caught a bug. I don't know what it is, but it's something, and not feeling that well, and just wanted to show you these waterfalls. I'm sacrificing myself for you, just so you can see the waterfalls, but no, I wanted to go, so it's fine. But yeah, I don't know, it's just why do I have to feel so unwell? I just want to feel healthy all the time. Please. Ugh, maybe I should go to the hospital and just tell them that I'm not feeling good and whatever. But okay, let's continue walking, so you'll see how beautiful this place is instead of listening to me complaining about whatever. Just look at the view. It's so nice to be able to get away from the city like this and just look at it from a distance and be in nature a little bit. Look at how awesome this is. Just look at this. Wow. Yeah, there was way more water the other day, so it looked way more magnificent, as I said, but it's still very awesome. Still very wow. Whew. Yeah, I gotta be careful, because if I fall, I'll fall deep. So yeah. Let's walk, let's walk. Ooh. So nice and so relaxing just walking here and just being away from the city and from the city noise, all the traffic and just everything, and like wow, it's so relaxing. I love being in the forest. Sorry, the camera doesn't really capture the beauty of this place, I'm sorry, but it just doesn't. There's like a little small pavilion or something, I don't know what it is, I don't know how to call it, but I think the view is very nice from over there. Yeah, check it out. There's a lot more people over there today than there were the other day. I was practically almost alone the other day, but yeah. Look at those branches. So cool. Oh my gosh. Just listen to that. Wow. It's like a tropical forest. Totally. Like a tropical forest. So cool. What is that? It sounds like something huge. Is that even like an animal or what? I don't know. Okay, so I think I'm getting close to the that sound again. I think I'm getting close to like the really beautiful part of this national park. So yeah, we're almost there actually, and I was really like surprised the other day I discovered this place because it's so beautiful. And yeah, I'm basically here. Let me show it to you. Okay, there's some people there. I was basically alone the other day, but yeah, I like discovering places like this by myself and being alone. But look at this. Isn't this just so wow? Ah, there's the guitar there. And something. Maybe music video or something. Oh, look at this. Wow. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother them because there's like a there's like a photo shoot or something going on over there, and someone's playing the guitar and singing. And funny enough, I was like the other day I was here, I was also singing out loud, and okay, let's go here. And I was just thinking, like, this is totally perfect place to make a music video. And now I see someone doing something like that over there. It's funny. It's funny. And now I got closer to the road that goes up to Suthep. But I'm going back this way, and alcohol are not allowed, just so you know. Yeah.